Hello children, how are you? Hope all are well. Today I will teach you some more examples of simile. In my previous class I told you what is simile and I showed you that some examples of similes. Now today I will show you some more examples of simile. What is simile? Tell me. Yes, when we compare anything or any word with another word or another thing, that is called simile or idiomatic. So what is simile? When we compare anything with another thing or any word with another word, that is called simile or idiomatic. So today I will show you more examples of simile. So let's go to see the examples of simile. I will show you the first example of simile. See, as brittle as a glass. The first example of simile here is as brittle as a glass. As brittle as a glass. Next one is as bitter as a hemlock. What is hemlock? Do you know what is hemlock? Hemlock is a poison. It's a dangerous poison. So definitely poison should be bitter. So we can compare any bitter thing with the poison hemlock. So the sentence should be, or the phrase should be, as bitter as a hemlock. Next is as cold as ice. Ice, we know ice is very cool. So when we can compare anything, any cold thing, then we can compare with it with the ice. So we can say that as cold as ice. The water is as cold as ice. We can say like this. Next one is as cunning as a fox. What is cunning? Cunning means very clever. We know fox is very clever animal in the forest. So we can compare any clever or cunning person with the fox. Then we can say that as cunning as a fox. Next one is as consonant as the sun. All of we know that sun is consonant. Sun is fixed. So when we can compare any fixed things, then we can compare with it to the sun. So we can say as consonant as the sun. Next example is as cool as a cucumber. We know cucumber is a raw vegetable and cucumber make us very cool in summer season. So we can take the cucumber in summer season. So when we can compare any cool things, we can compare with it to cucumber. Then we can say that as cool as a cucumber. Next one is as countless as the stars. In the sky, we know in the night sky there are a lot of stars and we can't count them. Can you count how many stars in the sky? No, we can't. So when we can compare any countless thing, we can compare with it to the stars. So then we can say as countless as the stars. So here I will show you more examples of simile. Okay children, now I will show you more examples of simile. See, as dark as night. We know night is very dark. Night is black. So we can compare any dark thing with night. So we can say as dark as night. And the next one is as easy as ABC. ABCD, the English alphabet, it's really very easy, isn't it children? Yeah, ABCD, it's very easy. So we can compare the easy or simple things with the compared with ABC, the English alphabet. So we can say as easy as ABC. Next one is as fair as a rose. Rose is a flower and it's a very beautiful flower. All of we know that if any beautiful thing or beautiful child or beautiful lady, we can compare with the rose. So we can say as fair as a rose. Next one is as fast as hair, light or storm. All of we know that hair is runs very fast or light goes very fast or storm also goes very fast. So we can compare any first thing with the hair or storm or light or mind. Yes, human being's mind is very fast than anything. So we can compare any first thing with the as fast as hair, light or storm, or as fast as our mind or human being's mind. Next one is as fat as a pig. We know pig is a very fatty animal. Pig is very fatty animal. So any fatty things we can compare with pig. So we can say as fat as a pig. Next one is as fierce as a tiger. Tiger is very dangerous and fierce animal. Then so we know tiger is very dangerous and fierce animal. So we can compare any fierce or dangerous animal or human being with the tiger. Then we can say as fierce as a tiger. So the person is very fierce like tiger. The person as fierce as a tiger. So children, these are examples of similes. There are a lot of examples of similes in our English vocabulary. I will show you more examples of similes in my next classes. Till then, you have to learn these words and these similes in your house, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channels. And till then, stay careful and always wash your hands and use masks and sanitizer. Till then, bye bye.